Hey ho. So the idea of this little video malarkey thing is just to show you how I go from having to load of bed slats and how I turn those into these board planks, whatever you want to call them. I call them blanks, and I'm going to be using these to make a boatload of frames. But first off, I'm going to take loads of these and make them things, and this is how I do it. Do it. Yeah, I got bed slats for days. I have short pieces that are thinner. I have short pieces that are thicker. I have long pieces which are thinner, and long pieces which are thicker. So I'm going to marry up the thicker pieces together and the shorter pieces, the thinner pieces together. I'm going to make a load of long pieces and then a load of short pieces, and then glue them all together, slice them in half, blah 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 blah. Let's get on. That's one of the long ones. Now when it's dry, I'm going to cut it in half, long ways, which means I'll get two of those. And I'm going to do that with all of them, so I'm going to get double what I'm actually making now. Ooh, yeah, that should work. Plenty of gluing to do though. Yeah, I think it's full. Ooh. Blimey, almost as if I planned that. Yeah, so I've glued up some offcuts so I can get more, and once they're glued up and dried, I'll slice them up like I've just done with the others, and then it comes to this bit. I'll cut each one in half that way, so the end result will be double of what I have at the minute, which I'm going to have about 10, 11 pieces, which will take it to 20, 21 pieces. Yeah, feck me, it's dusty in here. It's no fun having hairy arms either. Right, clean up. Yeah, these are offcuts from work. They're hardwood lining for doors, helps with fire doors and all that sort of stuff, and these are just too small for me to use on a door because they're shorter than the shortest length I need, and I'm not going to throw them away because I'm not a knob. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these, edge one side like that, and then when I cut them in half like that, the two pieces will already have their edging on. That should save me quite a few cuts, quite a few glue ups, because it's all done in one. That's the logic of it, and yeah, but where does logic ever get us, really? You know, in a world full of crazies, logic is About as simple as it gets. And that is my pieces. So we've gone from bed slats, standard bed slats, long and short ones, to whatever we call these things. Americans would call them boards. British people call them planks. Walk the plank, will ye? But that's the process of gluing up. Lots of gluing up and cutting up. And how do you like my lo-fi, about as lo-fi as you get, table saw? Basically it. Certainly not accurate, certainly not, probably not safe, but hey, it got my job done. Well, I've got some more of them to sort out, but you basically saw the gist of it, didn't you? Glue up, chop up. Now, the thing I'm going to be making with these, the frames I'm going to be making with these, that's the next thing, the next process. But I think this process is all the videos are about, to show you how I make these. I call them blanks. Blanks. Yeah, bed blanks. Hey ho, it's gone on for long enough. I've got a snotty nose. See you later.